Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal as a payment method on Upwork so you can receive your freelancing earnings and securely. So make sure to watch till the end and follow each step carefully. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Upwork website. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to your profile section. Now, click on Account Settings. This is where you can manage all your account related options. Inside the Settings menu, look for Billing and Payments and click on it. This section allows you to manage how you receive your money on Upwork. Next, tap on Add a Billing Method. Here you will see different options available such as debit card or PayPal. Since we want to use PayPal, go ahead and select the PayPal option. Once you select PayPal, you will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal email and password, then approve the connection. This step links your PayPal account with Upwork securely. After successful login and authorization, your PayPal account will be added as your payment method. Now you can easily withdraw your earnings directly to your PayPal account anytime. And that's it. That's how you can add PayPal as a payment method on Upwork. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.